There is a secret hiding inside thousands of rental apartments right now. Walls that look like they were designed by an interior decorator, spaces that feel expensive, elevated, and completely custom, and every single one of them is rented. The landlord did not do that. The renovation crew did not do that. One renter-friendly product did that. And by the end of this video, I'll show you the 3 wallpaper styles that consistently look the most expensive, the biggest mistake that instantly gives away the illusion, and which style I'd choose if I were upgrading a rental today. Most rental walls were never designed to be beautiful. They were designed to be practical, easy to repaint, easy to maintain, easy to rent again, which is why so many apartments end up with walls that feel flat, generic, and forgettable. You can buy better furniture, you can add artwork, you can upgrade your lighting, and somehow the room still doesn't feel finished. The reason is simple. The largest surface in the room hasn't changed. Think about luxury hotels, designer showrooms, and high-end apartments. The walls are rarely an afterthought. Sometimes it's texture, sometimes it's architectural detail, sometimes it's wallpaper. But the walls contribute to the experience. That's what many rentals are missing. And that's exactly why peel and stick wallpaper has exploded. Not because it's trendy, because it solves a problem renters have been dealing with for years. The 3 concerns. Now, before I show you the 3 styles that work best, let's quickly address the concerns almost every renter has. 1. Will it damage the wall? Premium peel and stick wallpaper is designed to remove cleanly when used on properly prepared surfaces. 2. Will it look cheap? The difference usually comes down to material thickness, finish quality, and how realistic the texture looks. 3. Will it actually stay up on smooth or lightly textured walls? Quality peel and stick performs surprisingly well. If your walls have a heavier texture, a quick skim of smooth surface primer first will make all the difference. And now, let's get into the styles that make the biggest impact. Look 1, linen. If there's one wallpaper design that quietly makes a room feel more expensive without demanding attention, it's linen texture. At first glance, it almost looks like paint. Then you notice the subtle texture, the softness, the depth. Luxury spaces rarely rely on perfectly flat surfaces. They use texture to create visual richness without creating clutter. That's why linen wallpaper works so well in bedrooms, home offices, and smaller apartments. It's also the safest choice for someone trying peel and stick for the first time. Now here's something most wallpaper videos never tell you. The wallpaper itself usually isn't what makes a room look expensive. The styling around it does. A beautiful wall paired with cluttered surfaces, random decorative objects, and harsh overhead lighting instantly weakens the effect. The wall can only do so much. The room still needs editing, and in a minute, I'm going to show you the installation mistake that ruins even the most beautiful wallpaper. Look 2, architectural panels. The architectural panel wallpaper trend has absolutely exploded. Instead of installing real molding or expensive wall panels, renters are using wallpaper designs that mimic architectural detail. And the effect is surprisingly convincing, especially in photos and video. People associate wall paneling with custom homes and expensive renovations, so when a wall creates that same visual language, the entire room immediately feels more elevated. Behind a bed, behind a console table, even behind a dining area. These designs can completely transform a room without a contractor ever stepping through the door. Look 3, botanical. This is where a lot of people accidentally make the wrong choice. Small busy prints can make a room feel smaller. They also tend to highlight seams. Larger organic patterns perform much better. Think soft botanicals, stone-inspired textures, muted marble looks, natural patterns that support the room instead of dominating it. A moody botanical accent wall can completely change how a room feels with very little effort. Now let's talk about the biggest giveaway, because this is the mistake that instantly reveals the wallpaper. Misaligned seams. Nothing destroys a luxury look faster. You can buy the most beautiful wallpaper on the market, but if the seams don't line up properly, that's all people will see. The eye naturally looks for inconsistencies. Even subtle mismatches weaken the illusion. That's why preparation matters more than price. Measure carefully, order enough material, take your time during installation. The difference between a professional looking result and a disappointing one is usually patience, not money. And here's the surprising part. The most expensive looking peel and stick wallpaper isn't always the most expensive wallpaper. The designs that consistently look luxurious tend to be the most restrained. Subtle texture, timeless colors, soft contrast, patterns that create atmosphere instead of demanding attention. That's what expensive spaces do so well. They feel elevated before you can even explain why. If I were upgrading a rental today, I'd start with a linen texture. It's the lowest risk choice. It works almost anywhere. And it instantly makes walls feel more intentional. But all three styles can dramatically change the feeling of a room when they're used thoughtfully. And every wall you saw at the beginning of this video could exist inside a rental apartment. No renovations, no landlord permission, no security deposit risk, just a smarter way to use the walls you already have. I've linked my favorite examples in the description below. Subscribe to Lovely Living for more renter-friendly upgrades and other elevating everyday ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.